Flutterby the butterfly was a very curious creature. She loved exploring the whispering woods. One sunny morning, she spotted something huge and dark. It was the Shadowy Cave. Flutterby felt a shiver. "Oh no," she whispered. "It looks scary." Quote, Flutterby wanted to see inside, but her wings trembled. "I can't," she thought. A wise old ladybug landed beside her. "What's wrong, little one?" she asked kindly. "I'm scared of the cave," Flutterby admitted, "but I really want to see what's inside." Quote, the ladybug smiled. "Sometimes things seem scary until you take a closer look. Try flying just a little bit closer." Flutterby took a deep breath and fluttered forward. The cave wasn't so dark after all. Sunlight streamed in, showing sparkling crystals. "Wow," she exclaimed. "It's beautiful." Quote, Flutterby learned that day that even scary things can be wonderful. Sometimes, all it takes is a little bit of courage to overcome your fears. And that made Flutterby the happiest, bravest butterfly in the Whispering Woods.